Hey everyone, it's Tony Janko, Mr. Hendricks County from the Janko Realty Group. Today, we're bringing you the 2025 real estate market update for Plainfield, Indiana. And if you live in or around Plainfield or are thinking about buying or selling, here's your insight to how the market looked and performed and what it means headed into 2026. Let's break it all down, from sales numbers and pricing trends to new construction impact and buyer behavior. Plainfield saw strong market growth in 2025. A total of 443 homes sold in the Plainfield market, up from around 370 in 2024. That's nearly a 20% increase in total volume year over year. And most of that growth came from existing home sales, which jumped from around 320 in 2024 to over 400 in 2025. That's a 25% increase. New construction, on the other hand, dropped slightly from 50 homes in 2024 to 41 in 2025. That shift likely reflects changes in builder focus, especially in popular areas nearby like Avon, where new construction activity has surged. In fact, neighborhoods like Beaumar and Hobbs Station, while physically located in Plainfield, are within the Avon School District. So those home sales are included in our Avon market update and not here. That distinction matters when evaluating where builders are investing and where new buyers are looking. In 2025, it was existing homes in Plainfield that really carried the market. With 402 total resale homes sold, up 25% from the prior year, it was clear that buyers were drawn to established neighborhoods, larger lots, and move-in ready homes with personality and character. And values held strong. The average sale price for an existing home rose from just above $330,000 in 2024 to over $340,000 in 2025. That's an increase of over $10,000, or about 3.1%. This shows us that despite a rise in inventory, demand for Plainfield real estate remained steady, and buyers were willing to pay a premium for well-presented, properly priced homes. Now let's talk about new construction. While the number of new construction sales dipped from 50 to 41 in 2025, prices, well, they moved in the opposite direction. The average sale price for a new construction home rose from $459,562 in 2024 to over $468,000 in 2025. That's a nearly $8,500 increase. So why the price jump despite fewer sales? Well, builders are still facing rising construction costs, and many are building larger, more upgraded homes with luxury finishes, especially on the limited land that remains in Plainfield. And with interest rates easing, more buyers could afford these higher-end builds, especially with incentives like rate buydowns and closing cost assistance. So while the total number of new home sales slightly dipped, demand at higher price points remained strong. Now let's talk about days on market. In 2025, homes took a little bit longer to sell. The average days on market in Plainfield rose from 30 days in 2024 to 39 days in 2025. That's not a huge shift, but it does tell us that buyers are more selective and more cautious. With more inventory to choose and slightly better rates, buyers had time to explore their options, and that meant that sellers had to be more competitive when it came to pricing, presentation, and marketing. Homes that were in top condition, priced right, and promoted online moved much faster than those that were outdated or overpriced. What did this mean for buyers? Well, Plainfield buyers in 2025 had more leverage and more options. Interest rates were lower, and with both new construction and resale homes available, buyers had a real chance to shop based on what mattered most to them. You want warranties and a modern layout? New builds were available, but at a premium. You want value, location, and mature trees? Existing homes offered more variety and stronger price points. The key was knowing how to evaluate those trade-offs, and that's where we come in. When you're making a big decision like this, you need someone on your side who knows the local landscape inside and out. What did all this mean for sellers? Well, if you're thinking about selling in Plainfield in 2026, here's what we learned in 2025. Buyers are smart, comparison-driven, and patient. They're looking closely at days on market, price history, listing photos and video, and what else is available nearby. So if your home isn't priced correctly, in great condition, and marketed aggressively from the start, you're probably gonna sit. But the good news is that homes that were presented well and priced right in 2025 still sold quickly and often for top dollar. Thinking about relocating to the Indianapolis area? Well, I've got just a thing for you. My team and I have actually taken the time to create the ultimate relocation guide which is meant to save you hours of research, and I've linked it below. From top employers to the best hospitals and a boatload of other things that you need to know before making the move. The best part is this guide is 100% free. That's right, you heard me, 100% free. Just click the link in the description below or the top pinned comments. Hope that helps. And that's why you need more than just an agent, you need a team. Here at the Janko Realty Group, my partner Tony Eads and I have helped over 800 families across Hendricks County, including many right here in Plainfield. We know how to help buyers compare resale to new construction, market homes with professional photography and video, and strategically price and position your home to compete in today's landscape. And with over 215 5-star Google reviews, we're proud of the results we deliver and the relationships we've built. So whether you're looking to buy in Plainfield, selling a home you've owned for years, debating on building or buying a resale home, or just want expert advice before making a move, let's talk. Call me or text me, 317-414-9355, or visit us on our website at www.mrhendrickscounty.com. And if you found this video to be helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who you know who's thinking about making a move in Plainfield or anywhere across central Indiana. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next market update.